Okay, but seriously, look how cute you are. I'm talking to Max. Newer outfits, but I'm gonna get Ryan to choose one for me. I have Ryan choose my brushes for me. There in my Mrs. mug that I need. But I think he somewhat knows some of the brands. We have the accessories, handbag, and fragrance that I'm gonna get him to choose. What about the new Chanel's, no?
What is in the YVL?
The YVL? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. So today's video, I have not done this in a while, and if you've been following my channel for some time now, you know that I've done this video before. So we've had Ryan on, he's chosen my makeup. So today I thought it'd be a little different. I thought he would choose my makeup, my outfit, my hair, the whole works, everything head to toe. Just be more fun that way. So I put him to the test and I will let you guys know how he did after. I'm not going to show you the whole outfit right now. But the makeup, you can obviously see how I achieved this makeup look. And he did a good job. So I'll show you guys how I got this look, all the products I use. If you guys are excited for today's video. I thought this would be so fun for Makeup Monday, and also give Ryan some love in the comments, even if you don't think he did the best, but I think he did an awesome job. So very proud of hubby. But before I get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We are almost at 200K subscribers. So once we hit that milestone together, I'm gonna definitely do a big giveaway for you guys. I'm not gonna make this intro super long, so let's get started. Okay, but seriously, look how cute you are. I'm talking to Max. Max, you're so cute. Thank you for helping Daddy.
I don't know how you find anything in here.
So I literally just put everything down. Like, I just grabbed stuff from my drawers. There's some stuff that I do like and that I wear every day. There's some stuff I don't like. There's a lot of everything. So he's just going through stuff. I don't even really know what he's doing, but we'll see. There's stuff here that I've like never opened. It's in the packaging, so it'll be fun to try things out too. So I haven't been looking too much, but I think he's found a lipstick. I saw, I think, a highlighter in there. So there's still a lot that I need. But I think he somewhat knows some of the brands, like, you know, Too Faced. He was looking at some Fenty, which I have right here. You guys know I like Fenty.
Everything's scattered though.
Yeah, so he's probably really confused. But more confused, the better. I can't see what that is, so I don't know what he's putting in there. So you can just, I put out like a ton of palettes, so you can go through them, see which one I need. Which one's the prettiest.
The big one must cover everything. It's kind of fancy colors. Face.
It's called the Natural Face Palette. It's kind of nice because some of the brands obviously have what it is, like it says what it is on the packaging, so that would definitely help.
You want to get lipstick?
Yeah.
Face stuff.
Mm-hmm. And I got my coffee latte right there in my Mrs. mug.
Lipstick. Put stuff everywhere, I can't tell.
The bag has to be full, so everything he puts in the bag, once it gets full, we'll be done.
Smoky eyes.
We might have doubles of some items, but I just told him to fill the bag, so we'll just play around and see how it goes.
What is this stuff?
I can't say.
Do the hula?
So he doesn't know this part yet, but we are going to pick an outfit and shoes. So let's do this too. And I have no idea what he put into that bag, you guys, but we will see. And I'm still casual right now in my comfy mom outfit. Right, whoa, that is full. Oh my god. Okay, so now we are at my clothing, and you guys have seen a lot of my newer outfits, but I'm gonna get Ryan to choose one for me. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, and then
shoes?
So now he's got to pick out some shoes, and I'm just yeah. What are you feeling? Well, I wear all these shoes, so anything will look good. But what do you think will look cute with the blouse?
Max,
Hi, Max. Maxie, no helping daddy. No helping daddy. Let him choose. Okay. Okay, so I just went and got some jeans. I don't own a lot of jeans, but I'm just gonna get Ryan to pick out white or blue. Whatever you think will look good.
I think white.
Oh, okay. Right here, we got the white jeans that Ryan went with, and this top. And also I just bought this, you guys. It was 24 bucks. So we also have the shoes down there. Okay, so next we have the accessories, handbag, and fragrance that I'm gonna get him to choose. Yeah, this is probably my favorite part. And I'm gonna get him to choose what will go with that outfit. Oh, okay, did you already choose one? That one? Okay, let's point. Yeah, so we know it's that one. And open that drawer right there, yeah. So we've got wallets in there. And then also on this side here, Ryan. Okay, oh, Mama is in heaven right now. Okay, so you can choose a wallet. We'll do the pointing again to choose. The new Chanel's, no?
What is in the YVL?
The YVL? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so this one right here, it actually looks really nice with the outfit. I'm happy. So we'll go with this one. I'll put that right here. Okay, so Ryan just decided this on his own actually, and he saw the belt. He thinks the belt will look nice. I didn't even think of that. I've only worn that once ever, so this is the other item that he chose. And Ryan's probably not smelled any of these before because I don't wear a lot of fragrance right now with the babies. But whatever one you think smells the best. So I'll put this over here. You guys know these are my brushes all in here. Okay, we've got one, which is Fan. I just want to show you guys current situation, not dressed up at all. So I'm gonna try on the entire outfit that Ryan selected for me and then do the makeup as well, which I don't even know what he put in there. So thanks, Ryan.
Welcome.
Just wanted to make it a little bit more difficult on myself, and I just told Ryan to choose 5 brushes, which I have right here, and also a full bag of makeup. So, I mean, I have no idea what he chose out. I'm gonna just go through everything, put it all on. Okay, so first thing I'm going in with is the Peach Perfect. Now this is the only one he did not choose because it's the only foundation I have. So I'm just gonna go in with this really quickly. And I just thought this would be a really exciting video. We actually did this video years ago, like 2-3 years ago, where husband chooses my makeup. There's also a video of Ryan doing my makeup, which was from years ago too. So I haven't done this in a while. I just thought it'd be fun to do. So we are going concealerless today, but we do have a powder that he chose out. So I haven't used this one. It's the Banana Setting Powder. This is the one he chose out. So usually my go-to powder is the Too Faced, the peach one that I always use, or the Fenty, which I've been loving. But so I thought I would show you first the brushes that he chose. I'm about to go in with the powder brush right here. So we have a powder brush, a fan brush. We also have the round blusher. This is a great multi-use brush. We have the angled blusher and then a shadow brush. There we go. It just made like all my impurities stand out, and I've never had that happen before. That's really weird. So right here, this is what he chose for face, and there's blush and bronzer in here. And so he chose this one right here, which is Do the Hula, and there's also a powder bronzer in here. It's the face kit by Too Faced. So this is the Natural Face by Too Faced, and it's beautiful. I'm really happy he chose this one. So I think I'm gonna use this one for highlight, bronzer, and for blush. With this color right here, and then go in with my angled blusher. Usually gets me very out of my comfort zone and chooses products I never really use, so I'm not sure what this is gonna look like, but I do really like this palette though. Okay. So I do have to use everything. I'm gonna go in a little bit with Do the Hula right here, and it's a liquid bronzer. So I'm just gonna take this on top. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna use much. It's really dark. So I'm gonna go in with my BB sponge right here, so it's not so in your face, and just go on top. Might give me like a nice glow too, which is good. So for brows, he chose the Foolproof Brow Powder, so this one. So this is not a bad product. I have been using it, but I really like the pencil a lot more in my brows, but this one's not so bad. I usually go in with the dark color. I do like my brow pencil, but he didn't choose it, so I will go in with this today. Here is actually a brow setter. I was really happy he selected this because I use this all the time to set my brows, and it's like the gel, and it's from the same set. So I'm gonna put this on, and it just really holds your brows into place. And my brow hairs like to go everywhere, so it's really nice to use. Okay, so the two palettes he chose out is this Milani set right here, and then also the Huda Beauty. I love this palette so much, this one right here. You can clearly see I've used this a lot, so I think I'm gonna do like a brown, smoky, natural look today. So, and then I think from this palette right here, I'm just gonna go in with a nice light shade right there. Actually really pretty, look at that. And this is totally, I think, what I'd see myself wearing like every day. A lot of these shades right here, very nice. So this was the Hypnotic Star, and this is by Lancome. It's a beautiful mascara. I usually wear Better Than Sex by Too Faced, but he chose this one, so I used it. But, oh, it's not that bad. Is not a color I typically wear. It's by Soap & Glory. These are beautiful lipsticks. So it's the Sexy Mother Pucker ones. Look how cute that packaging is. It's like rose gold. It's so pretty. It's a hotter, like it's definitely a more plummier pink. Something I'm not typically used to, but we're gonna do it. It looks very spring though, so at least it's not like purple because that's what he chose last time. Okay. I usually like the nudes and the light pinks. It's pretty. Something Mama Bear wouldn't wear that often, but it's a nice pop of color. And they're really moisturizing too. I really like these lipsticks. Okay, and the last thing I think I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of highlight from this palette. So the Starlight, this one right here, and I'll use my finger. Or you know what, I haven't even used the highlight brush. I'm gonna use the highlight. I'm gonna go in with the fan brush and Starlight, this one right here, in the little palette. Wow. This is definitely like, bam. That's pretty. The only thing he didn't choose is actually a liner. So I usually go in just on my lid. I'll go in with like a liquid liner, but that's okay. This is the look though, and it's not as bad as I thought it would be. He chose out some really nice products. I'm gonna be honest, the only thing I didn't like is the powder. This powder did not work for me. I think, especially in my nose, like my pores started to come out. Just was not for me. And maybe that, I don't know, maybe this is just for underneath your eyes. I don't know, it could be. I don't know. But I liked everything else. Everything else did work. So good job. Good job, Daddy. So Ryan's actually with the girls right now, but I asked him straight or curly. He said straight. So I'm just about to go straighten my hair. I will be back. I'm gonna throw on the outfit and we're gonna put everything to the test. So here it is in a different light. I just wanted to show you kind of up close. Not too bad though. And the lipstick, like I said, is just not what I'm used to, but it's not that I don't like the color. It is quite nice. It's springy, and the eyes were a little bit hard to do just because I didn't have an eye blender, which is something I definitely need to blend out my eyes. But other than that, I think this is an awesome look. And I really like the highlight too. I love the face palette by Too Faced. I really love that product. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys the outfit. Voila! So here is the outfit, and I actually have not worn this shirt yet, which is super cute. This is the one that I picked up from Marshall's, and like it's just so cute and floral for spring. And then these white pants that he chose, which it actually doesn't have a butt buckle, so I couldn't put the LV belt on, but definitely a very cute outfit though if I did have something to put the belt onto. But the shoes were also a really nice choice. And these shoes I really love. These are from Nordstrom Rack. I had them in my last video, my haul. But yeah, I definitely think the outfit is a good outfit for me. And it's definitely something I would wear and pair up together. So good job on that. And the last thing I have to get here is the handbag. So he chose out this one, which is my brand new one. And I'm gonna grab her. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love this bag so much. What do you guys think? Good bag with the outfit? I think he also did a good job on the bag. I think I would have also chose this one myself, so I'm really happy about that. Super cute. So I think all in all, I have to admit, I'm very impressed. I think this is totally something I would wear, and I hope you had fun watching it. It's just something I haven't done on my channel in a while, and I know you guys love Ryan. If you follow me on Instagram too, you can see us there. I do tons of like Insta stories with him, and then also on my vlogs. So you can see me and Sophia there too. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video for Makeup Monday, and yeah, I will see you guys on Fashion Friday.